welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Bridgerton inspired makeup look inspired by the release of season 2. I am absolutely obsessed with Bridgerton. I think it is so beautiful and so well done, and so I have been deciding to do a little mini series here on my channel doing some Bridgerton themed inspired looks. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Bridgerton inspired makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm going to be going ahead and popping in some blue contact lenses before taking my Pixi Rose Plus Essence Oil and applying this all over my face. I'm then going to be taking my Fenty Skin Sunscreen and applying this over my face as well to help moisturize it, and then I'm also going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer and applying this onto my face to help prep it, and then I'm going to be taking my Pixi Rose Plus Radiant Perfector and applying this everywhere in order to help give it a nice radiant glow under my foundation. I'll then be taking my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlight, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes to help brighten them before moving on to taking my Milani Supercharged Concealer in 120 Peach, and I'm also going to be applying this under my eyes to help give it a little bit more color and also help neutralize some of those dark shadows. I'm also going to be taking my MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones to help give it a nice glowy look under my foundation. And for my foundation, I'm going to be taking my Rare Beauty Foundation in 210N and applying this all over my face using my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. For my contour, I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Creamed Powder Foundation in Mocha, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones and also bringing this down to my jawline as well as my forehead before going ahead and lightly blending all of this out. For my highlighter, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer, and I'm going to be applying this to my forehead and under my eyes before also blending this out as well. Next, I'm going to be taking my Rare Beauty Serum Blush in Hope, and I'm just going to be applying this to my cheekbones before going ahead and softly blending this down to the apples of my cheeks, and also going back into my foundation brush to help diffuse the color a little bit more. To set my face, I'm going to be taking my Airspun Translucent Powder and applying this under my eyes before going into my ColourPop Enchanted Mirror Blush and applying this to the apples of my cheeks. For my highlighter, I'm going to be taking my Revlon Prismatic Highlighter and applying this to my cheekbones before we move on to brows, where I'm going to be taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso and going ahead and just lightly filling in my eyebrows, making sure to brush it out with the spoolie end, and then set it with my 24-Hour Benefit Brow Setter Gel. For my eyes, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and just going ahead and priming my eyelids before going into my ColourPop Wild Nothing eyeshadow palette. Starting off by taking Morningside, I'm just going to be applying this with a fluffy brush into my crease, and I'm also going to be bringing that down to my lower lash line as well. I'm then going to be taking Sultan, and I'm just going to be applying this to the inner corner of my eyelid and softly blending that out before taking Hot Springs, and I'm just going to be applying this with an angled brush on my crease and just softly blending out those edges before taking Crystal Cove and using this to highlight my brow bone. Taking my KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in Mad Bax Brown, I'm going to be going ahead and doing a very subtle, soft brown wing. You don't want this to be too thick, you really just want this to be thin to help accentuate the eyes a little bit more before going ahead and prepping your lashes by curling them and taking Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara and just sweeping that through my eyelashes. For my lips, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Brink and just going ahead and outlining my lips before going into my ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil in Blossom Out and topping my lips with this beautiful glossy sheen. For my lashes, I wanted something natural, so I'm going to be going into my Ardell Variety Pack, taking the 415 lashes and just applying this to my upper lash line. And last but not least, I'm going to be taking my Tula Signature Glow Spray and just spraying this all over my face to give it a radiant finish and setting my face with my One Size Beauty Until Dawn Setting Mist. And that is it for my soft, rosy, glam, Bridgerton-inspired makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!